Well, here I have this container, and this container is responsible for drawing this background color over here. As you can see, the background for each images. And actually, container could be expensive. A lot of time, as you see, it takes alignment, padding, color, decoration, and foreground decoration within height, constraints, margin, a lot of things. Okay, now of course we can go ahead and change it, and now we see that it took effect immediately, the background color. But there's a cheaper way of doing this thing. This is called ColoredBox. Now we'll save it, and of course looks like nothing happened, but we'll change the opacity and we see that it changed back. But actually this is much cheaper operation, and which consumes less memory. And if you hover over on it, and you see it takes just color, child, and key. That's all it does. So if you just need to color the background of your image or background, then you can simply use ColoredBox instead of container, and it should be very fast. Thank you.